Hey yarn friends, Erica here, your slightly crooked crochet buddy. I'm back with another Tunisian crochet tutorial. If you're just getting started, you're in the right place because today we're learning one of the easiest, most useful stitches, the Tunisian Simple Stitch, also known as TSS. Here's what you'll need for this stitch demo. A Tunisian crochet hook. We don't need any with tails right now. Just a straight hook will work fine. You'll need a medium weight yarn. I'm using this Lily's Sugar and Cream Cotton. I suggest using a 4-weight yarn and something that is not too fancy and not too fuzzy when you're first learning. I suggest a stitch marker so that you can find those pesky little edge stitches when you're first starting out. And you'll want to use a Tunisian crochet hook that is at least 1 to 2 sizes larger than the ball band of your yarn recommends. Because Tunisian is a denser fabric than crochet, that is the reason why we use a bigger hook. So let's get started. I've already done the Tunisian foundation row to get us started. If you need help with that, you can look at either my Tunisian long-tailed cast-on video, which I will have linked up in the cards and below, or you can look at my beginning Tunisian introduction video where I go over how to start in a chain. Both of those, as I said, will be linked above and below. Okay, now let's do the forward pass for the Tunisian Simple Stitch. You're going to always skip the first vertical bar unless otherwise indicated by the pattern because you already have a stitch coming from that vertical bar. You're going to insert your hook from right to left under the next vertical bar, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Keep those loops on your hook. Repeat that across until you have a glorious row of loops. Trying to maintain your tension and your loops as the same length. Don't worry in the beginning if it's not right as far as your tension and your height. This is something new to you. You're learning and you're not expected to know how to maintain your tension in the beginning. So don't let it frustrate you. Work all the way across until you get to the very last stitch. I have already put the stitch marker here in my end stitch, but I will show you what I am talking about. When you create your first yarn over on your return pass, it creates these two V's. If you turn your work sideways, you will be able to see them. For the edge stitch, you want to go through both of those stitches so that you have a nice uniform edge on both sides of your fabric. So go through both of those stitches, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Now it's time to work our way back. You're going to yarn over and pull through 1. This is your chain 1 that also creates your edge stitch. So if you turn sideways, you can see where the yarn is coming out, and then you have these 2 vertical bars. That is the edge stitch, and that is where you want to put that stitch marker until you learn how to read your edge stitch. Now you are simply going to yarn over and pull through 2 all the way back across your project. You will pull through 2 until you have 1 loop remaining on your hook. If your stitches look like a ladder, you're doing it right. The Simple Stitch creates a neat grid-like fabric, great for beginners. So let's do another row. Again, the first vertical bar we do not work into because our loop is coming from that stitch. Go through our next bar, yarn over, and pull up a loop all the way across to that edge stitch. We're here at the edge stitch. Turn our work slightly to the side and you can see the stitch marker is in those 2 loops. Put your hook through those 2 loops. If you're using a stitch marker, remove it. Chain 1. Put your stitch marker in that new edge stitch. And then yarn over and pull through 2 all the way back across your work. Here's how it looks after a few rows. And see the texture? Perfect. You can use this stitch for scarves, blankets, dishcloths, or whatever your heart desires. Try working 10 to 12 stitches across, or even the 15, and make a mini swatch to practice those stitches. And now you know the Tunisian Simple Stitch. Give it a go and let me know in the comments below how it went. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Lopsided Tunisian Goodness. And hey, grab your beginner's Tunisian crochet cheat sheet in the description below. It has all the stitches, tips, and notes to keep by your side while you crochet. Next video in the series, learning the Tunisian knit stitch. You don't want to miss it. Until next time, happy hooking and stay cozy. Bye.